How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can curve or bend text in Lightburn. So basically, in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, put your text onto your canvas. In my case, I'm going to put this example right here. And then right after, let's go ahead and modify this. And of course, you can adjust this according to your preference. The next thing that you want to do is to basically put the path where you want to go ahead and make the bend or basically circle the text itself. So I'm going to do it two ways. Basically, we're going to add this path right here for our text. And of course, you can adjust this accordingly depending on your style. But in my case, I'm going to simply be doing it this way. Right after, you then want to press Control and basically just highlight the text onto the model itself. So once again, let's click on pointer, press Control and highlight both the line where it will be the guide for the path itself. So you could just right click on it, click on the apply path to text, and basically it will bend together along with the line that we have right here. Now, if you want to do it in a circular way, of course, what you want to do is to get the circular or the ellipse tool. So let's just click on the rectangle, click on ellipse, and then let's apply this ellipse right here. And right after, once again, you can just make sure to click on the ellipse and same with the text. Now I'm going to highlight them together by pressing Control, hold click, and highlight them together. Right click on it, apply text to path, and basically from there you have applied this effect onto your model right here. So that's how easy it is. Of course, you could make few more adjustments if you need to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.